Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to create your AliExpress account. AliExpress is a public e-commerce company. To create your AliExpress account, first click on browser. Go to aliexpress.com, aliexpress.com. Click on join shown on the top right side of your screen. Enter your email. Enter your first name, last name. Create a new password. Your new password should be combinations of letters and numbers only. Create a new password. Enter the captcha shown on the screen. If you don't understand the captcha, click on refresh the code. Click on I accept the aliexpress.com. Click on create your account. You can also create your account using Facebook. Now your account has been successfully created. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.
Yeah.